Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to apply dark mode in Google Chrome for PC. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just opened Chrome browser and I just have some kind of a white background. So I just want to change a dark mode. What I have to do here? On your right hand side, you will find a three dot option. Just hit the button three dots and just go to settings option. Once you click a settings option, there will be plenty of settings will be available. So in your left hand side, you will find a appearance. Just hit the button appearance. There will be a mode. So you can choose the mode and you can change the theme. What you have to do here? So here there will be a device theme is there. Just click a dark mode. Automatically the theme will be changed into dark mode. Or if you want to change a light mode, you can change light mode. Or device means the device whatever mode is there, everything will be displayed over here. So you just select the dark mode and just browse means automatically the dark mode will be enabled for your Google Chrome as you see here. So you can able to browse and get all kind of data using this dark mode. So use this settings appearance and change the dark mode. Automatically your mode, that is your Google Chrome mode, will be changed into dark mode. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.